If you like hot chicks, oh, hi there, and hot trucks, then this show is for you, because it's smoking. It's indeed a sport for the entire family here at the 20th anniversary four-wheel jamboree at the Allen County Fairgrounds in Lima, Ohio. Hello, everyone. I'm Claude Wood, and welcome to this edition of World of Trucks. Today, it's all about show, it's all about shine, and what a perfect example I have found with Greg Snyder and his 70 International. Greg, how long have you owned it?
We've had the Scout since 1997. And went through a phase of buildup. We got it. It was in rough condition. It had been a mail vehicle in western Colorado, used to deliver mail. We got it, stripped it off the frame, totally redid it. It's been a huge family get-together. My brother, my two sons, grandson, my wife, everybody's been a huge help, friends. To me, it's a big family get-together.
And your family's been helping you quite some time with this.
Yes, they have. We're into the third generation family now, going to the truck shows. My grandson started coming this year. We made him a special little project just for this show. We're all sort of keyed about that, and we're just all hanging out together, having a good time.
Yeah, that's what it's all about. Take me on a tour through the Scout. What was it like when you first got it? You did most of the work too, right?
Right. Paint was pretty faded. Body, metal-wise, was in very good shape. We used all the original metal. Straightened some of it where obviously they'd hit mailboxes, that type of thing, and polished up all the chrome. Spent many hours, getting it prepped for paint. Spent probably 30 hours taping it off to get it masked just for the flames. We've got 6 coats of clear coat on it, all Sherwin-Williams product. Just an overall project. We had to design part of the suspension ourselves. We did spring over lift. We've got 10 inches of lift on it. Running 373 gears, tools down the road just like we'd planned.
Greg, thanks for bringing it out. Want to see more gorgeous trucks? We can do that for you. Doc Riley, I think he's right over there.
No, it is not the latest science fiction movie. It is a 2005 beautiful diesel truck, and this is an incredible platform right here. Carl's got it all worked out, and I tell you, the attention to detail is outstanding. Carl, let's talk a little bit about this. First of all, your make and model.
Well, it's a 2005 F-250 Ford Super Duty. It was a project that we started coming up with for SEMA this year, and what I want to do is just put an 05 together, and like you can see the graphics. It's the future.
What is that? The inspiration, the future?
Yes, sir. Air ride suspension. That's our manufacturing, and we're trying to show everybody what we can do with it. And here's the new product.
You know, are people starting to kind of warm up to airbags a little bit? I mean, there's a lot that can be done with airbags. What about some of the features? What's a good thing that an airbag can do as opposed to other parts of suspension?
Air ride suspension is a real nice feature with you can carry the load. You don't have a spring squat. You don't get the headlights pointing in the sky. And you get a real comfortable ride with the air ride. It's like riding a little F-150 pickup.
And you've got a nice shock package all the way around, too.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. Bill Stein's done a real nice job putting the shocks together for us and helping us valve them.
The interior, very nice. You've got all the latest creature comforts of the new age.
Oh, absolutely. You know, we can go around, we can watch our DVDs, the stereo stuff in there, lots of stuff in there.
Now I'm going to ask you the question. I need a straight, honest answer. Daily driver?
Absolutely. Got to ride them. Drove it all the way out from Iowa.
All the way from Iowa, coming out to celebrate a 20th anniversary here at the Lima Jamboree. Everything goes on from nice racing to great-looking trucks.
And Doc, a part of the four-wheel jamboree, the Burnout Contest. Up first will be Isaac Dockery in his 2001 Chevy 2500. Now, joining me in the booth today, expert analyst Rick Carlson. Rick, come in and give us a little 411 on a Burnout Contest.
Mickey Thompson Burnout Contest. Each driver gets 30 seconds to thrill the crowd. Smoke and sound. It has to be a stock chassis, DOT-approved tires with at least 1/8-inch tread depth, automatic transmission, no nitrous or funny fuels, and they can smoke the entire area.
And the horn you heard there indicates the end of Isaac's 30 seconds. The crowd approves. And that will bring up Kenny Clows and his 78 Dodge Ram.
Kenny Clows, that Dodge going to smoke the tires. Mentioned that horn a little bit. The drivers with the engine revved up, tough to hear anybody say stop, so they use that horn, and they'll beep him at the end of the 30. Doesn't look like we're getting the same smoke from Kenny that we got out of Isaac's truck. That Dodge not smoking them or lighting them up like the Chevy did. He's working on it, though.
World of Trucks is being brought to you by Stainless Steel Brakes. Performance brakes built right by Stainless Steel Brakes. And by Lund. Get the look.